Hello and welcome. This is Sunil. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to run the exe which you have downloaded from the 3D Archstuffs Academy page or Academy site. So if you go here and go to the courses.3darchstuffs, and if you have downloaded this interactive ArchViz project in Unreal Engine, then you have to go here and click download and then log in, and then you will be here, and then you have to click on open link, and then once you have it, you have to download the latest version. So I do the updates of the exes regularly, and then I keep them as version 1, version 2. So whatever will be available here will be the latest version up to date. So all you have to do is you have to just go ahead and click on download button, and then your exe will be downloaded, and here, like, you have to go ahead and click on download, and then click on continue with download only, and then you have to click here save as, and then it will start downloading. And as you can see, I have already downloaded on my desktop, so I'll go ahead and extract this. And after this exe is downloaded, what you have to do is you have to go to Google, and then here you have to type download Visual Studio Community, and then you have to click here Visual Studio Community download. Click here, and then you will click on this download button, and then it will download an installer. After that, you have to double click on the installer and install the installer. After that installer is installed, you have to go here. This is the Visual Studio installer. After you have installed the Visual Studio installer, you will have this. So you have to go here in available, and you will see here Visual Studio 2006, 24, 25, 22, whatever you are available. You just try to search for the latest version, which is 2026, and then you have to go here and click on modify. After you have clicked on modify, you have to just go here and switch, or like click on .NET desktop development on, and then game development with C++ on. And then you have to, suppose if I was show you, if I would like this, you see here, and then you have to just click on this and then click on modify. So this one will be the option, and then you have to click on modify, and then this tool will be installed on your PC, and after that you can go ahead and explore the project very easily. So you can go here and then start the exe, and it will run on any RTX graphic card ranging from 2000 series to 3000, 4000 and 5000 with absolute performance. And if you don't see the performance, I have also given here the option how to go ahead and increase the performance in game. So you watch this video, it's just a few seconds of video, and then you will be able to get maximum performance. And I hope this will help you run the exe which you have downloaded from our site or my site. And then if you face any problem, just contact me and message me on YouTube video. I'll try my best to help you out. So see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great time.